Y'all, it's hot as balls outside. I ain't even gonna hold you. Oh yeah. About that time. We are headed to the Rappahannock River. We're gonna go set up shop. We got the FPV drone, of course, with me. We got a nice little adventure ahead of us. Let's just say that. We are headed to a spot that I know about that I actually filmed before, but I didn't upload the video. And the river is completely dry. Like, you can see all the way down to the bottom of the river, and it's honestly insane. As long as I've lived here for like 4 years, never seen this, and thought it'd be some pretty cool drone footage. So this video is gonna kind of be like the behind the scenes of getting the shot. Now, a couple of life updates for you guys. We are rocking a new camera. We just picked up the Sony Alpha A7 Mark IV. This thing is heavy. I'm carrying it right now as we speak. I literally just got it, and I still trying to figure out all the settings, so bear with me as I figure all that out. But we're literally walking to the trail. And then as far as the audio, hopefully you guys can hear me a little crispier. But we are rocking the new DJI mic setup. So it's like the one that comes with 2 mics, and then you got the transmitter up top. Real cool setup. So yeah, let's go on a little adventure. Let's do this thing, boys. Of course, we're rocking the Quadmula F5, the newest setup, 1750 kV motors, the Ethix motors. But this battery is at 20% on the new camera, so hopefully we make it, boys. Hopefully we make it. But let me show you what we're doing. So we're out here, just cruising along. Cruising along. I shouldn't have worn pants, guys. It's fucking hot. But I'll see you guys at the setup. I'm gonna save the battery life on the camera. Made it to the spot. We had a crazy steep like hill to go down. Look at that. And we made it. Check it out. Wow. Very beautiful. Jeez. All right, so now we're about to have a good time going over the rocks. We're gonna go try to set up, I say like over there. I wanna have the best signal, so we are gonna, of course, be flying the F5. Hopefully you guys can hear me a little better. Like I said, we're rocking the new DJI mic, and I think it's gonna sound a lot better. Just trying to get the quality of the channel better. You guys know we're rocking the GoPro bones. We're gonna go ahead and send this pup in the air. It is freaking hot, boys. And I fumbled the bag, guys. I freaking left my the strap that holds your RC, you know, the controller. I left it at the crib. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to free willy-nilly this thing. And I don't really like flying like that, but I'm gonna do what I can with what I got. So let's put this bad boy in the air. Let me get a good stance. Here we are. So here we are right here. Now this camera is almost dead, like I was saying. It's probably like at 15% battery. So we're gonna have to, you know, make do what we got. Not doing nothing too wild because we're not strapped in. I feel like not being strapped in is similar to like not wearing a seatbelt in a car. You know what I mean? But yeah, I haven't flown in bricks, so please bear with me. But usually this river is much higher. Whoa. Look at like all the rocks. Let's just turn it around. Look at that. Not too much commentary. I'm over here sweating, boys. We're flying over the water. It's pretty wild. But look at that. I don't know if you guys can see, but like, you can see literally like right to the bottom. Look at that. So this water's pretty shallow as it is. And then if you actually continue down this path, like the river that way, it'll take you to where you can kind of go tubing, at least when the water's higher, because there's way too many rocks right here. I've seen people kayak this, paddleboard this, a little further down where there's not as many rocks. Oh yeah, this is a little too much right here. Wow. Flying over water is always kind of trips you out, you know what I mean? But honestly, this flight, I'm just going for nice and smooth movements, nothing too wild. Just trying to capture the scene. I just wanted you guys to check this out. Look at this. If I have the old footage of, you know, of the river when I used to fly out here, I don't think I've flown this far, but I'm telling you, you gotta take my word for it. It's pretty insane how low the water is. Wow. But yeah, let me know in the comments, do you guys have the A7 Mark III, Mark II, Mark IV? It's a really good camera from what I've read. And I'm super stoked to learn how to use it. I used to be into photography when I was little, but nowadays it's more video making. But maybe I'll, you know, get back into photography since it's such a versatile and hybrid camera. But we're gonna go ahead and come in for a landing. We are pushing 21.6 volts. So, and there goes the camera. I heard it. I think the camera just died. That sucks. We'll check though, we'll check. We're gonna land right on the poop. Oh. There we go. All right, guys, I did want to sign off. It is a beautiful, look at this, absolutely beautiful out here. Unfortunately, we only got one pack in. This camera, the new camera, the A7, it is about to die. Like I said, I just got it today and I went ahead and charged it to like 20%. That was all I had, all the time I had. But I did want to get this video out here. I have 2 more batteries, which I am thinking about flying. We'll see. And yeah, I just wanted you guys to check out this absolutely gorgeous spot, the Rappahannock River. If you're ever out in Stafford, Fredericksburg area, come check out this river. It's really nice, really good spot. You can have a good time out here, you know what I mean? So hopefully you guys like the new setup. Leave a comment down below. What do you guys think about the quality of the audio and the video? But without further ado, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.